What's up guys? Today we're going to talk about the reasons why I'm selling this car and what we're going to do next. Let's go. So the first reason is this has been the plan the whole time. I don't know if you see the playlist on this section of my channel. It's called 365 Days in California. So it's the original idea to have been or is to just have this car for 1 year, see how it is, learn a lot, and which we have, and then on to the next thing. The second thing is that Albert started school now, as I mentioned before, so we're not able to go out like we did, like we used to do. We can't just go across Europe like it's no thing. For that reason, it's pointless to just basically have a car in the city and drive around with a bus. Another thing that's kind of, I don't know, I guess it's kind of boring, but it is the reality. I'm not a rock star, I'm not a millionaire. The car costs quite a lot of money to have and own and all those things. And if we're not going to use it the way I intended to, and now that we not crash and talk at the same time, now that we moved back to the house, everything costs a little bit more. So I am restricted financially in that way as well. Again, just reality. Sorry about being real. But yeah, let's look into the future and see what we're going to do and what the plan is from now on out. From here on out? From here on out. Remember not to drive too close, you gotta reach out like this. The goal and the purpose of this channel is to find the perfect adventure. And how do you get there? Like, what gear do you need? Are you gonna fly? Are you gonna go by car? What equipment in terms of camera gear and those kind of things do you need? So that's what I'm trying to find and share with you guys, so you guys don't really have to do all the things that I'm doing. You can just cut to the best solution for you. So we are going to try different things. We've tried this car now. I haven't decided exactly what solution I'm going for yet. So if you guys have any tips or ideas, I am all ears. I'm sure you are more experienced on this field than I am. Talk to me in the comments and I'll answer it, and we'll see. I'll look into all the different solutions that there can be. So we've done everything that we set out to do with this car. Now it's time for the next solution and the next adventure with another type of model or another car, I don't know. But in the meantime, before we get the new solution, I'm gonna keep creating interesting content for you guys. As a matter of fact, I said let's go right now. Goose, this is Maverick. No, I'm just kidding. Big thanks to Matthias for taking me on this amazing ride. You can go check out his channel. It's Gyrocopter Aviation. And you can also, if you want to try this by yourself, if you got what it takes, this is the website that you should have a look at. And then, if you want to go somewhere, this is the pilot that you should have. Hey. Great, so yeah, we're on to the next thing. Hang on.